Hello, in this video we're going to talk about divisibility by 6. So when is the number divisible by 6? So let's take a look at the following number, 13,548. So the rule tells us that the number is divisible by 6 if and only if it is divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. So first thing we're going to check if this number is divisible by 2. So how do we do that? Well, we'll look at the very last digit on the right. It's 8. 8 is an even digit. Therefore, 13,548 is divisible by 2. Well, to check if the number is divisible by 3, if you recall it, we have to add all the digits, which is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8. And we have to check if the sum is divisible by 3. So let's do it. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. And if you remember that 21 is equal to 3 times 7, then you can easily see that 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the whole number is also divisible by 3. So we see that 13,548 is divisible by 2 and is divisible by 3 at the same time. Therefore, we may conclude that this number is divisible by 6. Just remember, it has to be divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. So if the number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, then it's not divisible by 6. Or if the number is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2, then it's also not divisible by 6. So let's take a look at this number. 71,852. So right away we can see that the last digit on the right is even, therefore this number is divisible by 2. And we're going to check the sum. The sum is 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21, and 21 plus 2 is 23, and 23 is not multiple of 3, therefore 71,852 is not divisible by 3, and therefore it's not divisible by 6. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have 58,317. So right away we notice that it ends with the odd number 7, therefore it's not divisible by 2, and we don't even have to check the divisibility by 3 and conclude that the whole number is not divisible by 6. So let's do one more example. Let's say we have number 47,862. So right away we see that this number ends with a even digit 2, therefore it's divisible by 2. And to check the divisibility by 3, we're going to add all these digits. 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2, and we get 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 6 is 25, 25 plus 2 is 27, and 27 is a multiple of 3, therefore 47,862 is also divisible by 3. So we conclude that the whole number is divisible by 6. So let's summarize. We have any given number. We can have as many digits as we want. So in order for this number to be divisible by 6, it has to end with an even digit. So it has to end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And also we have to look at the sum of all the digits. And the whole sum has to be divisible by 3. So if you have a number with a sum of digits divisible by 3 and that ends with an even digit, then that number is divisible by 6.